In this guide, we're going over how you can get the Muay Thai fighting style here in Bizarre Lineage, step by step. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to do is unlock it. You can do this just by interacting with the bus stop NPC and teleporting over to bus stop 2. As soon as you get to bus stop 2, just cross the street and follow the path that I am showing on screen right now. And you're going to see Muay Thai right here. Of course, this is where you can go ahead and get the fighting style itself. But for the quest, you need to go ahead and pay $100. And get enemy kills. You have to defeat 7 boxers in the bus stop 2 gym, 7 cyborgs which are near bus stop 3, and 7 samurai masters in the bus stop 4 area. And then from here you need to complete world events, so just complete 3 world events at Muay Station, then return and spar Raw Tang to unlock the piercing blows, and then from here you need to complete the prison escape raid 5 times and get at least B rank each run. Then craft the item for Death 13 tarot card using those raid drops, and then bring it back and beat Raw Tang again to unlock the double roundhouse. And then finally for PvP, you just need to complete 10 PvP missions and win 10 1v1 fights. Fight Raw Tang one last time and you'll unlock the heavy knee, which is the final move, and you fully now have unlocked the Muay Thai fighting style. It does take a little bit of a grind, but it is one of the strongest fighting styles in the game right now, and that is it. That is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.